guys, this is Sarah V from ChainEX. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we'll be talking about unstoppable domains, what they are and how to claim yours. So firstly, what are unstoppable domains? Unstoppable Domains is a company that focuses on the adoption of cryptocurrency and Web3. They simplify transacting with crypto by turning multiple crypto coin addresses with 25 plus characters into one easy to read domain name, like jack.crypto. Therefore, instead of using the old-fashioned 25 plus characters, your new wallet address would be a short, simple, easy to remember domain name. That is going to make things way easier. And thanks to Unstoppable Domains and ChainEX, you can claim your free domain worth up to $40. Do note that this is a limited opportunity, so grab your free domain while it lasts. Follow these steps to claim your free domain. You can pause this video to keep up with what I do so that you can do it with me too. First, navigate to ChainEX.io. Click on Sign In. On the sign-in page, enter your correct sign-in credentials and sign into your ChainEX account. Once you have successfully signed in, make sure your account is fully verified, as only fully verified users can receive a free domain. If your account is verified, click on Balances, over here. To claim your free domain, you can click on either Deposit, over here, or on Withdraw, over here. I'm going to click on Deposit. I love adding more money to my ChainEX account. Now that I'm on the deposits page, over here, you can see Get a free domain from Unstoppable Domains. Next to that, over here, click the button Get free domain. A custom domain pop-up has now been displayed. Over here, this has been pre-populated with your first name, but you are more than welcome to change it to anything you want. This will be the basis of your free domain. As you can see below, this is a list of all the available domains you can choose from. The name that is entered over here is the basis of all the suggested domain names over here. Scroll through this suggested list and identify which domain name you wish to claim as your own. Once you've found one, click on Get over here. You will now be directed to the Unstoppable Domains website. As you can see over here, this was the custom domain you selected on ChainEX. Before we go any further, I know it says $5 over here, $10 over here, but don't stress, you are not going to pay a single cent for this. Remember, Unstoppable Domains and ChainEX have made it possible that you can receive a domain worth up to $40 for free. If you wish to change your domain name, you can do so over here. You can select a new ending to your domain. You can choose a different suggested name. You can change your domain name entirely. Once you are happy with your domain name, click on Add to Cart over here. Then click on Continue to Cart. Over here you will see the list of domain names you have selected. Over here you will see the price you're going to pay for these domain names. Wow! $0! That's incredible, isn't it? Before we can check out, we need to complete the short checkout form. Do you live in the USA? No, we do not. So we will click on No. Okay, now click on Checkout. Before we can officially claim the domain as ours, we need to create an Unstoppable Domains account. The fastest way to do so is to click on Continue with Google and select your email address. And there you go, you are in. Now you'll click on Pay with Store Promo Credit over here. And there you have it. You are now the proud owner of this domain name. You can have multiple domains, so if you want to use another domain, you can go ahead and purchase one from Unstoppable Domains right here on this page by clicking Go to My Domains. And then click on Get New Domain over here. This is common when someone wants to link two addresses from the same coin, which you will need a second domain for. You can link one address for each of the coins that are supported by Unstoppable Domains. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will show you how to link a domain name to a wallet address for easy transactions. Thanks guys for watching this tutorial video. If you like this tutorial video, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up, and please feel free to comment below. See you guys in the next one.